As you can see from this Roma right here, I mean, Ferrari has always designed some very beautiful cars, but they have the power plant, the engine, the performance behind it. The Roma that we brought today is actually my personal favorite of our current lineup. It's a throwback to the early 60s era of design, so very elegant, smooth lines, but a modern twist, modern interpretation to it. And it marries a lot of the beautiful designs with the latest technology and performance. 3.9 liter twin turbo V8 making about 620 horsepower. It's very easy and comfortable to drive every day, but when you want to take it out on the track here, we can really have a lot of fun with it. Detroit is the absolute center of the world for the car culture, and I think all the manufacturers know it, including Ferrari. So we're very proud to be representing this famous brand here in Detroit. I did attend the American Speed Festival last year. I thought it was a fabulous event. Looking forward to seeing it grow more and more and try to get Ferrari more involved, get more of our clients to come attend and participate in the driving portion, even the display. What it's all intended for, the purpose of the event, is just such a great experience for the car culture here, and as much as we can help support that, we want to.